Oh, hi everybody! This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here for a brand new Marshall Studios Forever Production. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience today. Today, I'm gonna be running my 1980s Hoover Comset Power Drive. This is a 1980 Hoover Power Drive. And I really found out this is one of my favorite vacuums to use. And for first of all, I love older Hoovers. If I ever find an old Hoover for my whole life, it crosses my path to find one of these. And also, I grew up with old Hoovers, grew up with them for my entire whole life. And, YouTube's part of my job, and YouTube's part of my lifetime career. And, I mostly do upload videos every day, well, forever, because I'm trying to make it to a million subscribers. And also, the Hoover Comset 1, sorry. I was trying to say repeatedly again. Yeah, this Hoover Concept 1 upright vacuum was made in 1980, and I really grew up with those type of vacuums, and I really do. Well, everybody, make sure you click the like button, hit subscribe, click on the notification, what you like to see for a brand new video. Click on the bell and notify me. And make sure you click thumbs up, hit subscribe, click down below what you like to see for a brand new video. And you know what, everybody? I will see you in the next video.